Okay, you can see we have two models. This is our first generation syringe pump. This is the new generation. From the interface, you can see the new generation is much beautiful. The raw material of this generation is ABS and PC. This is PBT. And you can see the screen. You only can control the pump by the rotate button. This is not the touch screen. This is the touch screen. See, you can set the parameters by the touch screen directly, and also you can control by the rotate button. And the syringes in this model are only compatible with the 10, 20, 30, 50 millimeter syringes. The new generation, the syringe, you can use 2 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 10, 20, 30, 50 millimeter syringes. Both of the syringe pump is open system. You can use the universal syringe press.